No matter what we're teaching or what methods we're using, we want to make learning easy. And we need a teaching base that supports that. And here are 3 rules that can make that happen. Break it down, repeat it, and keep it short. Break it down means reduce the task size, no matter what you're teaching. Reduce the task size so the learner isn't overwhelmed and we don't trigger the fear of failure syndrome that I've been talking about in other videos. The genius behind teaching programs such as Handwriting Without Tears is based on reducing the task size, making the task simple. How to print uppercase letters? Simple. 4 shapes. Big line, little line. Big curve, little curve. That's it, dude. With just those 4 shapes, you can learn to print the entire English uppercase alphabet, and my son did in spite of really limited fine motor ability. Another way to break it down, oddly enough, is to make it big, as I said in my last video. Size really does matter in more ways than one. So small size for task bites, large size for reading fonts. It makes a huge difference. That's why I give my reading prescription of 5 minutes twice a day when you begin to teach your learner to read. Does an hour a week work better than 5 minutes twice a day? No. Repetition is essential. And 5 minutes becomes 10 minutes, becomes 15 minutes. As the learner experiences some success and some enthusiasm, it goes right along with it. So repetition is key. Just remember that. And lastly, make it short. No 1-hour reading sessions. Stop teaching before your learner's ready to stop. And yes, I know that for some learners, they're ready to stop before you even have started. And I give some tips for workarounds for that in my book, Whole Child Reading. So take a look at your homework on the next slide. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.